It's time to create our fish. Now, we've already created the room, the table, the fish bowl, and all we have left is to create our fish, and I'm so excited about this. The supplies you're going to need today are 1 pack of your Model Magic. It comes in a little package like this. 1 piece of white paper. I need you to have a marker that is the Crayola markers that have the lids like this. 1 eye and scissors. This is what you're going to need for this project. Now, what I want you to do with your paper is put your first name, your last name, and your room number, which would be either 1A, B, or C. And then what you're going to do is you're going to set that paper aside. So we'll set that aside. I'm going to leave the eyeball on there too. Then you're going to take your scissors and you are going to cut your bag open. And you're going to see once you get inside, Model Magic is this awesome clay. It's air drying clay. And once you get it, you just want to kind of work it and squeeze it in your hands, just like this. You are going to love this. Now, when you're ready, what you're going to do is you're going to take this ball and you're going to break off a piece. So you'll have 1 big piece and 1 smaller piece. Then set one down and I'm going to have you roll it in your hands to create a ball. And this is how we create a ball. We use the palms of our hands, just like this, and you roll it together and you roll and roll until you have a ball. When you have that ball, set it down. Pick up the other piece, the larger one. You're going to make a larger ball. Notice I roll it, I stop, I turn, and I roll it. So I've got a large one and a small one. What you're going to do is you're going to use that palm of your hand to push down. Now notice I'm not pounding, I'm just pushing it down, just like this. So you make it into a pancake. Ooh, I love pancakes. So you're going to have 1 smaller pancake and 1 larger pancake. Notice again, I'm not pounding, I'm just pushing. So I've got a larger one and a smaller one. With a smaller one, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to turn your pancake into a taco. Do you see how I just folded that in half and it looks like a little taco? So, and you're going to kind of push that together. And then you're going to take this taco. Do you see how this side right here is the flat side? And you're going to bend it just like this. And you might be noticing, does that look like the tail of the fish? It is. You're going to attach it to your fish. This is your fish body. This is the fish tail. And with this Model Magic, you just kind of push things together. Now, if you want your tail to be longer or shaped differently, you can go ahead and do that now. And you're going to kind of work your fish body into the shape that you would like. The next thing you're going to do is take this marker and you're going to push this marker in, and you're going to notice when you push it in, it's going to create some texture. Texture is, remember, how something feels or how something looks like it feels. And we are creating the texture of the fish just by doing that. That's super fun. Time to get your eyeball. Now, you'll only need 1 eyeball, and the reason is because we're looking at the side of your fish. So we only see the 1 eye. All you're going to do is push that down in there. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors and you can just snip, snip, snip. Oh, look how cute. The fish's little mouth. And like I said, you can make your fish look the way you want it to look, if it's going to be longer or shorter or wider, however you like. But at this point, I'm finished with my fish. You're going to carefully pick it up off the table. And if it bends up a little bit, that's okay. You can flatten it back out. I'd like you to put it on the paper that has your name on it. And then you're going to carefully carry this over to the lunch trays. And you're going to set it on a lunch tray. And you're going to clean your things up. And we're going to let this dry. The next time you come in, we're going to paint it after it's already dry. I love my fish. I know you're going to love yours too. Have fun.